Tonight, if every light in your home suddenly went out, your heart rate would probably rise. Every tiny sound would seem louder. Every shadow would feel alive. You might even feel like someone is watching you. But why? Darkness has never attacked anyone. It has no claws, no teeth. So why does nearly every human instinctively fear it? The answer begins millions of years ago. Imagine standing on the African savanna 2 million years ago. The sun disappears below the horizon, and within minutes, the world becomes almost completely black. You can barely see your own hands, but you're not alone. Somewhere in the darkness, lions begin to hunt. Leopards move silently through the trees. Hyenas communicate with eerie calls across the night. Unlike humans, these predators were built for darkness. Their vision, hearing, and smell gave them a huge advantage. The moment the sun went down, humans stopped being hunters and became prey. For thousands of generations, surviving the night wasn't guaranteed. Every sunset brought the same question: would you still be alive by morning? That fear shaped the human brain. Even today, your brain carries the memory of that dangerous world. Deep inside your brain is a small structure called the amygdala. Think of it as your internal alarm system. Its job isn't to prove danger exists. Its job is to react before it's too late. A sudden noise, a shadow, footsteps behind you. Before you consciously think, your heart beats faster, your muscles tense, and stress hormones flood your body. This isn't a flaw. It's survival. Evolution rewarded people who assumed danger, even when they were wrong. Running from harmless bushes wasted energy. Ignoring a real predator cost your life. So your brain learned one simple rule: better safe than dead. Then something changed humanity forever. Fire. Around 1 million years ago, humans learned to control it. Fire gave warmth, light, and something even more valuable: safety. Many predators naturally avoid open flames, giving humans their first protected space after sunset. For the first time, people stayed awake after dark. And instead of hunting, they told stories. Around campfires, knowledge passed from one generation to the next. Stories taught children where predators lived, which plants were poisonous, and how to survive. Long before books existed, stories became humanity's first classroom. Even with fire, darkness remained mysterious. Beyond the edge of the light, anything could be hiding. That uncertainty shaped another powerful ability: pattern recognition. Your brain constantly searches for faces in shadows, figures in dark corners, movements that aren't really there. Psychologists call this hyperactive agency detection. Imagine hearing leaves rustle at night. If it's only the wind and you assume it's a predator, you waste a little energy. But if it really is a predator and you ignore it, you don't survive. So evolution programmed your brain to assume the worst. That's why a coat hanging in a dark room can suddenly look like a person. Why horror movies hide the monster instead of showing it. The unknown is always scarier than the known. Today, no lion is waiting outside your bedroom. Yet when the lights suddenly go out, your breathing changes. Your ears become more alert. Your heart beats faster. Why? Because your logical brain knows you're safe. But your ancient survival brain only asks one question: could there be danger? If the answer is even maybe,